Trying out the Rusto-Leum rust dissolver, guys. The instructions say to clean dirt, grease, or anything off the surface. You can see 1 out of 4 rims is pretty bad. But it's cleaning up pretty easy. The heavy rust is right here. It says to clean the surface, spray with water. Spray your Rustoleum rust dissolver, nom nom nom, on it. It's like a gel. Wait 10 to 30 minutes and then rinse it off. Brush it off, see what it looks like. This is just applied. I got busy, it's been about 45-50 minutes. And this is what it looks like now. All right, give her a little spray, Jamie. So it said to rinse off with water. No, it seems like it really kind of eats into the metal though to get that rust.
Yeah, it gets into that metal. Where
you can see all these pores now. You can actually see the pores of the metal. It's only 10 bucks for a bottle of it, so it does some work. Here we go. There's the final result. Canadian Casey did all the cleaning and he said it worked like a charm. He loved it, so that's a review.